Okay, problem number 2 of the review sheet. Here we have 8 houses, and they are represented by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and the number of people living in each house: 5, 4, 7, 6, 4, 3, 6, 4. Okay, and we're just gonna go through and figure out the mean and other statistical characteristics of this distribution, and then we're going to answer true false to what the what part A says. So okay, so the following statements refer to the number of inhabitants in the house. Write down true or false for each. Okay, the mean is 5. Okay, well, the mean is, we're going to have to put it in our calculator, so we'll do this at the end. Okay, the range is 4. Okay, this is easy, right? We just look through here, we figure out which is the max. 7 people in a house is the max. 3 people in a house is the min. And the range, this is the only hard part. You just have to remember that the range is the max minus the min, which would be 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. And they said the range is 4, so we're okay. That's true. And the mode is 6. Now remember, the mode is the most frequently occurring value. So let's see, is 6 the most frequently occurring value? Well, how many 6's are there? Well, there's 2 6's. Well, how many 7's are there? Well, there's only 1. Any others that recur frequently? Well, there's 4's. Look, there's 3 4's. Anything else? Looks like 7 there's only 1, 3 there's only 1, and 5 there's only 1. So it's either 6 or 4, and 4's have 3, so the mode looks like it's 4. Uh-oh, they said the mode is 6, so that would be false. Okay? Standard deviation is 1.4, correct to 2 significant figures. Okay, this also needs to be done with the calculator, right? And while we're at it, we'll just do B also. Okay, so first we go stat, edit, and we'll just use 2 empty lists here. I'll use L5 and L6 to put in this data. Actually, all we need is one of the 2, right? I'll use L6. Okay, so I'm just going to put in each house 5, 4, 7. I'm just putting the number of people in each house. 4, 3, 6, 4. Double check here. 5, 4, 7, 6, 4, 3, 6, 4. Okay, then go stat, calc, and I just put that in L6, right? So I'm going to put L6 here, and nothing there, right? Because I did not put a frequency column, I just put one row of variables here. So now everything comes out, and let's see, x bar equals 4.875. Okay, that, even if I round it to 3 significant figures, it would be 488, right? So that is not 5. So I would say that's false. Okay. Standard deviation is sigma, and so it's 1.2686. Now if I rounded up to 3 significant figures, it'd be 1.27, right? So 1.27. Oops, it says 1.2 significant figures. If I rounded that to 2 significant figures, it would be 1.3, right? So it says, is it 1.4? No, it's not 1.4, so that would be false. Okay. Calculate the IQR for the number of inhabitants in the house. Well, when we did that, we also got the, sorry about that, stat, calc, go back. Okay, now we have Q1 and Q3, which, if you remember, the formula for IQR is Q3 minus Q1, and so the calculator gives us 6 for Q3 and 4 for Q1, so the answer is 2. Okay, so that was an easy one, right?